100% yung tama. Sige, fantastic. New Downy. Mas dagdag perfume. Inaagaw pansin. Jolly spaghetti time! Wow! Jolly spaghetti! More sauce! More sweet sarap saya! See you Monday, class!
Let's say Monday.
Poor eyesight can affect school performance. Proceed to the facilities and expert eye care. Go to EO.
Please read our lesson today.
EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. Isa, baka mahulog ka.
Malakas pa naman ako. Aray.
Tika, dagdagan natin lakas mo.
Ensure Go by HMB and Triple Protein para sa 2 times improved lakas. Ensure Go.
Level up your experience with Bet88 Sports. Enjoy competitive odds and lots of free bets. Bet88, all your favorite sports, all in one place. Bet88, your ultimate playground.
The family cat is still a cat. Yun lang ang nutrients ng lutong bahay. Mag-Whiskas para sa 100% complete and balanced nutrition. Love them the family. Bibigyan isa! Get ready for a Wild West adventure. Play Wild Valley Showdown at
This is
Bet88.
cool.
Choose your luck from over 2,500 games so you have more chances for big wins.
It's not stop gaming and get your set.
Bet80, your ultimate playground.
We love treating them like humans. They love you more. With our nutrients ng lutong bahay, mag-pedigree para sa 100% complete and balanced nutrition. Love them like family, feed them like dogs. Pedigree.
Disaster sa kusina? Time for Magnolia Chicken Templados. Sabi na nagtimpla, kaya ikilutuin at walang palya ang sarap. Magnolia Chicken Templados. Sarap may eating.
Oh gosh, I just bought this store. I just buy it for $1. Okay, it's $1.
Good. I'm expecting better news tomorrow. Sir, naisip ko lang baka pwedeng pwede na natin katrabaho.
Sorry guys, sorry.
Ang yayabang eh. Akala mo sila baka? Lalo ng jago. Pero laglag na lang natin. Marami tayong competitor sa atin. Ang mga makilala natin talaga. May tiwala na ako sa kanila. Huwag mo na lang pansin yung kanilang mag-aspangaw. Galit. Sabi mo sir. Importante ngayon eh, mawawala na ang problema natin. Ang bago. Trabaho tayo bukas. Malaking babayad natin. Dali lang yan, boss. Nagugulpingin pa kami. O nanakawan. Bukod na din, natakutin.
For my next video. Bye. This is the end of this video. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.